mga kababayan! Welcome to my channel Cooking with Manang Wilma. Today, we will be vlogging a totally different subject and totally different setting. We are going to take you to our renovation project. We call this project Maple Renovation. So we want to show you today the house as we started our project, and then we will take you every day with us, and so you could see the progress that we make on this house. Okay, I will switch the camera now and take you to take a picture of the house. This is the house from the street. So it's got nice trees around it, and so I'll take you inside the house. We would not do much to the exterior, except probably we'll do an exterior paint and fix some of the soffits that are missing in there. And we'll probably put a nice front deck here. Okay, this is the front room of the house. It's really got this nice window. So what we're going to do here is just paint, and we will paint the entire house that white. So it will all be white, so whoever buys this house, they could have any furniture they want to put in and it will match. And if they want to put some color later when they move in, they can do that. And then this is the floor here on the front room. We're going to replace this, and it's going to be all laminate wood floor. Okay. Our estimated time of completion, we're going to give ourselves at least a schedule. We're hoping to finish this by the end of September. So we'll take you on the journey with us. So this is the living room and a dining room there by the window. And that ugly window, we will replace that. We'll put a different window in there. And then we go to the left is our first bedroom here. And what we did here is we just painted this. This is actually all done, but we put our stuff in this room since we're still working on the other room. Starting with we're against the light here. And these are our materials here. And this one is our kitchen countertop. That's going to be pretty against a white wall. It'll look good. And then from the master bedroom, we have this door to access to the bathroom. And this is our bathroom. We completely gutted this bathroom, and we're putting a brand new tub and shower surround, and we're going to have a nice vanity in here, and we'll put the toilet in there. Okay, and then we'll walk towards the kitchen. On your right is the kitchen, and we already did the drywall. We put brand new sheetrock all throughout this kitchen, and we just got done mudding it, and we are going to sand this until it gets smooth enough. Then we paint the whole kitchen. We'll have new countertops, new kitchen cabinet, and new walls. Okay? And then from the kitchen, there's the basement. So in the basement, we're gonna on this space here, we're going to put laminate wood flooring in here, and this would all look really nice when we get done. This was just a 2-bedroom house, and we are going to make it a 3-bedroom house. The bedroom will be here. We'll frame this for the 3rd bedroom, and it's going to be a pretty good size bedroom. And that's our laundry area. There we was going to move the laundry room, but there's so much plumbing work involved, so we decided we'll keep the laundry room in there. Okay, and there is a storage here for, it's like a pantry. It's dark, I can't reach the switch here, but you know, this is where you could put your canned goods or whatever you want to put in here. There's a big storage here. It's one thing about this older home, you have a lot of storage space. And this is the bedroom here before we added the other bedroom. So this is going to be the 2nd bedroom, and then the other one will be the 3rd bedroom. So yeah, you can see the floor is really so filthy. What we're going to do there is we're going to paint that with kills to get rid of all the odor around here, pet odor. We already cleaned it up and mopped it already several times. And then this is the bedroom, and we will have new flooring in there to replace all this flooring. And then this is the other bathroom downstairs. So it's pretty good size. And we will renovate this bathroom too. And paint. So, okay, this just gives you an idea what it looked like before. It's good to document this renovation too, so we know what it looked like before. Okay, and as I said, we will take you in this project every day. This is where we're going to be every day for the whole month. And as I said, we are giving us a month to finish this project. And I'll show you the deck. It's got a nice big deck in the back. See? That's the deck there. We're going to power wash this because it has been neglected. And we will power wash this, and then we will stain this deck. It's going to be a nice deck. And then this is the backyard. See the clothesline? Just like in the Philippines. The 2 owners back in this house was a Filipino. And I'm not sure if they're the one that built this clothesline. Sometimes it's really good to hang the clothes. It has good smell. And that is the garage. It's a 1-car garage, but it has also a shop. I think I've shown you the whole house now on the whole property. So I think I've shown you the whole property, the front, the back, and the inside and the downstairs. And so that gives you an idea what we are handling here, what kind of a project we have going on here. So thanks for watching. Please comment, You know, if you have any suggestion, anything that you see in here that may be better way of doing it, please comment below, like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye!